This is a medical device. Use it in accordance with the user manual or the label. Hello, welcome. I present to you the Asteroid Pro single column stander with abduction. It is intended for users up to 1 meter 30 centimeters tall and weighing up to 50 kilograms. I will show you its construction and possible adjustments. The standard equipment of the stander includes platform with a scale for the angle of foot abduction. Abduction function allows 2 feet to be positioned in their desired abduction. Foot stabilizers with safety straps. Adjustment of the feet. Abduction, abduction. Internal rotation, external rotation. Front, back. Standing frame column, smoothly and steplessly adjustable in height, supported by a gas spring. Knee supports with soft kneecaps, independently adjustable for height, depth, independently adjustable lower limb spacing. Pelvic belt with pelvic rotation function. Opened from the front. Opened from the back. Height adjustment. Width adjustment. Depth and rotation adjustment. Tray with smooth height adjustment. Swivel wheels with independent brakes. The standing frame can be optionally equipped with a chest belt with a chest rotation function. It has a mounting set which is mounted as follows. Chest belt adjustment. Opens at the front, opens at the back. Height adjustment. Width adjustment. Depth and rotation adjustment. Asteroid Pro is a modern single-column static standing frame with leg abduction function. The standing frame offers a wide range of adjustments for the feet, knees and trunk. Rotating knee supports eliminate pressure of the kneecaps, stabilizing and securing correct lower limb positioning during standing. Thanks to Implement Solutions, using the device is simple and intuitive and does not require additional tools. For more details, please visit our website access-med.com. See you soon!